Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Do you want your Empower budget to stay accurate without manual updates? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to synchronize budgeting with linked accounts on Empower in under 2 minutes. Let's get into it. Now, the first step is to open the budget tool. So from your dashboard, go to budgeting under the planning section. Next is to check your linked accounts. So you want to ensure that your bank, your credit card, as well as your investment accounts are already connected in the accounts tab. Next is to enable auto sync. Now in budget settings, you're going to toggle on include linked accounts. This automatically pulls in all your transactions. Next is to categorize transactions. So now you're going to review and adjust categories so that your budget reflects spendings accurately. And finally, watch it update in real time. From now on, any new transactions from linked accounts is going to instantly update your budget totals. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.